Hi, this video is about who you should pick between a mutual fund distributor and an RIA, a registered investment advisor. A mutual fund distributor is more of a broker, so he is not supposed to offer detailed advice as regards their investment, while a registered investment advisor would do a comprehensive analysis of your situation and of the investments and then make suitable recommendations and is held to a fiduciary standard. So he's supposed to make sure that the investments that he's made are genuinely suitable for you and look out for your interests. So between the two of these, it seems obvious that you should pick an RIA because he's better educated and also is held to a higher standard. However, there can be exceptions. So if the circumstances are different, then the answer could be different. So there are three factors that help you decide who to pick between the two of these. The first factor is whether you know a lot about investments. So, if you personally know a lot about investments, in that case, you could probably choose a distributor because you may not need such detailed advice. However, if you know less about investments, you've never invested in the past, an RIA is most certainly a better person to pick. The second point is how much money you're going to invest in the market. So if you're not investing a lot of money, in that case, you could probably choose a distributor, an online mutual fund distributor, where the minimum investments could be as low as 2 to 3,000 rupees. While if you want to pick an RIA, he may require you to invest large amounts of money because his fees are based on the assets that he receives from you. So in that case, the minimum threshold for investments would be higher. So you'll see how much money you have, and based on that, make a decision on who to pick. And the last factor is the difference in fees. So what is the difference in fees between what the mutual fund distributor charges and what the RIA charges? If the difference in fees is vast, then you compare it with the value added by the RIA. Is he really worth the extra fee that he's charging? However, if there isn't much of a difference in the fees, then the RIA should be a better bet because for the same fee you receive better services. So these are the three main factors that you can assess to determine whether you should pick an RIA or a mutual fund distributor. Thank you.